Welcome to the Sun Princess main dining room for breakfast and lunch.
Okay, so I got the corn chowder. This is lunch in the Salil dining room on the Sun Princess Deck 6.
That's your dessert?
Oh, that's for me. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
That's really good. Really, really good.
Really good. I got a fish taco and some salsa to go with it. And I also got some fries. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
There's my golden fries right there. And also for lunch today, I have a Coco Loco.
Look at those jalapenos on that thing.
Jalapenos, radishes, guacamole, lettuce.
It's crunchy.
It's messy, but it's good. Tell me again.
Chicken tortellini soup. A lot of carrots. Not much chicken. A lot of carrots.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Take it with you.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I got the signature burger. No, it's fine. That's fine. Signature burger right here with the toppings and the fries. So we're in the Salil dining room on deck 6 for lunchtime today, or on our last sea day.
Let's check out the breakfast menu here in the Salil dining room on the Sun Princess. There were plenty of gluten-free options for Robin from Sea Lake Journeys, and I found that they cooked everything just perfect every day. We looked forward to eating breakfast and lunch in the main dining room.
Mr. Dodd, what are you doing to that toast?
I got some Nutella and strawberry jelly. So I know I like Nutella and I like strawberry jelly, but if you combine the two, I found that the strawberry will overpower the Nutella. So it's going to be Nutella on one side and strawberry jelly on the other.
What you got for breakfast down there?
I got bacon, sausage, hash browns, 2 eggs over medium. It looks wonderful. It looks
What is
good.
that breakfast called?
The All-American Breakfast for the All-American dude right here at Sea Lake Journeys.
Here.
Robin from Sea Lake
I got
Journeys.
the gluten-free version of the American breakfast. So no hash browns, no sausage, just the bacon and the eggs.
That's the only difference.
Mhm.
No hash
But I
browns.
got a couple of strawberries,
Oh yes, I see.
and I got gluten-free toast.
What are you gonna put on that gluten-free toast?
Butter.
Butter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
See salt and pepper? Oh, there's salt and pepper right there.
So she stole
Still
the salt and pepper from the other table.
Good. You can have crab salt.
That's a short right there.
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Thanks for joining us here in the Salil main dining room on the Sun Princess for some breakfast and some lunch. This food was fantastic, and we look forward to sailing on this ship again. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.